Hello and welcome to this very brief yoga flow, just to get the day started, getting the body moving. We're going to start in a standing position. That's going to look different for all of us. Some of us may have the feet hip width apart, maybe slightly closer together. We'll begin with the palms down by our side, stretching the fingers towards the long edges of the mat if you have one. Just taking a moment here, maybe we pedal the feet. And we'll begin to find some stillness with the feet, softening the knees. We'll begin to sweep the arms up overhead, upward salute. Beginning to take a little bit of a pedal with the hands. And then we're going to soften and fold, taking the hands down towards the earth. Hands dangling, maybe in contact with the feet itself. We'll take a halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins, or peace fingers. Softening and folding. We'll take that one more time, halfway. And fold. Planting the hands, we're going to begin to step back with that right foot, runner's lunge to begin with. As we take this runner's lunge, you might need to move that left foot a little bit further forward, dripping the right knee down towards the earth. We'll take a twist, right hand onto the earth, left hand beginning to come onto the thigh. Maybe we take the hand up. If the hand's up, you might take a half cactus. Imagine opening, elbow going towards the back of your space. Left hand beginning to rise. We're going to give ourselves a gentle hug. Left palm coming towards that right armpit, maybe catching the rib cage, tucking and rounding. And we'll begin to open up. Taking that one more time. Opening up. Left hand sweeping down towards the earth. We'll begin to tap the left toes. Maybe we begin to come into a sprinter's lunge. Hands can move to support us. We're just taking a gentle pulse. Bending and straightening. And final time, letting the left foot begin to settle into the earth. We'll sweep the arms up overhead. Going into a low lunge, then beginning to cactus, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to rise. Left hand grabbing the right fingertips to the wrist. We can stay here, or beginning to tilt over towards the left. Arms rising, sweeping the hands down towards the earth. Runner's lunge, tucking that right toe, lifting the right knee. We're going to begin to come through to a brief three-legged dog, sliding, stepping, or floating that left foot towards the back of your space. Heel, maybe we take a little bit higher if that's in your practice. Left foot coming back down towards the earth. Downward dog, first one of the practice. You take the gaze forward, walking, stepping, or hopping the feet to the hands, forward fold. As we arrive halfway. And fold, sweeping the arms up overhead, upward salute. Taking a gentle cactus, opening. Hands beginning to rise, soften and fold. Halfway. Folding. We're going to take this all on the other side, planting the hands, stepping back with that left foot, runner's lunge, gently dripping the left knee down. Left hand finding some security in the earth, right hand onto the thigh, sky, or again, maybe you take that half cactus. Arm rising, we'll begin to give ourselves a hug. Right palm towards the left armpit or the rib cage, tucking and rounding, ensuring you're pressing into that right foot. And then we'll open up. One more time. And open. Right hand coming down towards the earth. We'll begin to take that sprinter's lunge. Taking as many rounds as you like, lingering or marinating in any part of the movement. Planting that right foot down, we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Right hand grabbing the left fingertips of the wrist. We'll begin to tilt. Arms rising, cactus. If you're clawing the air. And we'll take the hands up. Beginning to sweep the hands down towards the earth. Tucking that back toe, lifting the left knee. Three-legged. Might be that ballet toe, simply having the right big toe in contact with the earth. Heel, maybe we go a little bit higher. And downward dog. As we arrive in this downward dog, we're going to ripple through to a plank, so beginning to shift the weight into the hands, high or foundation. Downward dog. We're going to take the hands, or the gaze towards the hands, walking, stepping, or hopping the feet to the top of your space. As we arrive here, halfway, hands to thighs, shins, or peace fingers. We'll soften. That invitation, taking the hands behind the thighs, calves, maybe the Achilles. Releasing. We're going to come up to standing, pressing. Taking the arms up overhead. When you get to your highest point, we'll begin to cactus, opening up the chest. Fingertips rising, casually coming down into the heart space. Gently beginning to take the gaze to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short, brief yoga series with me. I look forward to practicing together with you again.